We begin tonight with the community fighting to save lives.
Yeah, the town hall just wrapped up a short time ago.
News 12's Kevin Beacey joins us from South Huntington tonight with more on those calls for action. Kevin.
Yeah, and Mackenzie, the whole idea behind tonight's event really was to bring people with different backgrounds together and have a conversation about gun safety and try to find some common ground. In fact, we even heard from a gun owner tonight who's now pushing for tougher laws.
I still own firearms. I still can protect my family.
Scott Pappalardo is a longtime gun owner and a registered Republican who spoke at this town hall on gun safety in South Huntington, calling for common sense laws from both sides of the aisle.
We have to get into our Republican legislators and make it not so taboo that they're afraid that they're going to lose, their constituents.
The discussion focused on strategies to save lives rather than politics. We heard from Dr. Chetan Sathya with Northwell Health's Center for Gun Violence Prevention. The hospital system recently declared gun violence a public health epidemic.
Very few doctors actually talk to their patients about gun violence, but we know that a doctor talking to your patient about safe storage actually can save lives.
The meeting comes 1 week after the horrific subway mass shooting in Brooklyn and amid an uptick in gun violence on Long Island. So far this year, Nassau has reported 28 shooting incidents. There were 15 during the same span in 2021. And just last week, Suffolk police say a 14-year-old boy was caught with a loaded handgun near a middle school in Huntington Station.
We have to keep our voices heard.
Gun safety advocate Linda Beigel Schulman organized the event, along with the Scott J. Beigel Memorial Fund, named for her son who was killed in the Parkland school shooting in 2018. She's hoping more conversations like this can help change minds and change policy.
When we all come together and understand that we all want the same thing, it'll get done.
Well, it seems like a good conversation there tonight, at least. Kevin, any plans to have more events like this one?
Yeah, so Doug, I spoke with Linda Beigel Schulman shortly after this finished. There were about 30 people here tonight. She says she's hoping to bring this now to other communities to keep that conversation going about gun safety.